My dear ones, I will explain you about the Indian railway system, different trains and whatever information you want to. Okay. Indian Railways is one of the most popular and busiest modes of transportation in India and connects numerous cities, towns, states, districts and regions. Indian Railways operates various types of trains that include high-speed, fully air-conditioned premium trains, point-to-point superfast trains, mountain railways, metro trains for fast urban transport, and even slow, cost-effective passenger trains, etc. Superfast express trains. Superfast express trains operates with fewer stops in comparison to ordinary express trains and have shorter travel times. They run with a maximum speed. This train is more expensive than ordinary express trains. Express trains. These are high-speed trains. Some of the top train classes in this category are Shatabdi Express, Rajdhani Express and so on. These trains are 50% faster than other local trains. The trains run intercity and interstate. Express trains run with a maximum speed of more than 100 km per hour, which places them above local or ordinary passenger trains. They also have limited stops, which help them maintain a relatively higher speed. Intercity Express. Intercity Express trains serve to link the state capitals with prime railway junctions. These trains run on short routes with high or semi-high speed. They are more affordable than other express trains and usually have only seats and no berths. Passenger trains. Passenger trains provide economical travel options at slow speeds of about 40 to 80 km per hour. They often have non-reserved seating arrangements. These trains stop at almost every station on their route. They are classified as slow passenger trains and fast passenger trains. Local trains. These trains are the ones that run within the city. These are the same regular passenger trains but without berths. The intra-city trains run within the city. The train's interior is designed to add more standing passengers. These trains are always crowded and are used by the working population of the land. Goods train. Goods train, as the name indicates, these trains are for transporting goods, starting from fish to furniture. You can transport numerous items on these goods trains. These trains are usually for long distance trains. A freight train, cargo train or goods train is a group of freight cars transporting goods. Metro rail is fast becoming the most popular means of transport of mass rapid transit in India. With an operational network of over 660 kilometers across 12 cities. Metro in our country started its operations all the way back in 1984. Metro train is a train that is specifically designed to run in metropolitan city, designed to connect the distances within the city. Vande Bharat Express train, the fastest train in India with maximum. The speed limit is 180 km per hour. Gatiman Express, 160 km per hour. Habibja Delhi Shatabdi Express, 150 km per hour. Sealdah Delhi Duronto Express, 135 km per hour. Delhi Airport Metro Express, 132 km per hour. Mumbai Rajdhani Express, 130 km per hour. Howrah Rajdhani Express, 130 km per hour. Howrah Ranchi Shatabdi Express, 130 km per hour. Nizamuddin Garib Rath Express, 130 km per hour. Howrah Anand Vihar Yuva Express, 130 km per hour.